Mayam Bukung no Kurumjari Ming Tenzing Pukrambam Adom the Yangbiribasi Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 Gi last episode first round Gi Hajabatare, that is the 9th episode ne Hazik Akoigi Nasigi Lairiba Team Asi Pool I Gini Hajariba first round Asida contestant Kuntaret Singna contest Togani Hajakiba do Hazik contestant Kun Mari competition Taukraba Matunda Koi winner Nipan Kangat Chare Aroiba winner Akogi second round qualify Togadaba winner Mapan Suba winner Adunga Sigi Pool I episode 9 Asidagi Kangatlaga second round qualify Tobagi title Adu Okuna Pizza Gadoribani. This program is specially brought to you by Lamjingba Youth Development Association, Yairipok, Angtha and Impact TV. Nasigi Pool I team members in Team A, B, C Mapamasida Lengshin Duna Laire, Team A da Akoi Ramananda High School Angtha Dagi. Mahiroi Anina represent Tobiduna Lakli, Team B Duna Princeton International School Infal Iski Mahiroi Anina Team B Delay, Aduga Team C Dana S Chauba Memorial English School Singzamai C Hariba, Team Asina Team C members sing on represent Tori. Hanbagi Akogi Team A B C Amaso introduction Amaka Macha Amaka ko Team A B C gi Mahiroi sing na isa gi Ming Laipam Amasung standard takpi duna Akogi viewers sing da Lairiba Akogi audience sing sida Saktakugi Tanja do Lominasi Team A dagi Hojage Team A.
My name is Bung. I live in Yairipok, Angtha. Now I am studying at Ramanda High School.
Class kya kabirage class habiram standard?
I live in class 8.
Class 8. Class 9. 8. Okay. Next, please.
My name is Dixon Nimlembum from Angtha Malikai. Now I am studying in class 8.
Class 8. Okay. Team B.
I myself Nargis. I am from Ketriawang Laikai, and I am represent today's quiz competition on behalf of our school, Princeton International School, and my standard is 8.
Okay.
I'm Marzia from Ketri Bengun Awang Laikai. I read in class 8. Today I'm going to present my school, Princeton International School, on this Brainwave Quiz 2019, Season 1.
Okay. Team C.
My name is Lenin from Hairo. I read in class 9.
My name is Baldev Oinam from Kakwa. My standard is 10.
Okay. Class 8 tigina 10 Pogi page the labor Adugum Mahiroi Ngakani Aduna Yingbiba Miamna Mokogi Aswingam Yaw Krabaso the Magapina Vanishing Jering Asigi Chamsam the Paktok Chaba Kogi Brainwave Quiz 2019 Quiz School Kudimaktagi Isasagi Mahiroi Sing Select Alduna Tabirakpa Documatic Taram Noxem Sung Tagachaba Pondok Chari Asigi Quiz Contest Asi Honanava Taurasi the Team A, B Amasung C ready Labiro Hairibang Asigi Team Sing Asigi contest sing say Koi round Manga Tona Kaidok Jagani Masigi round Manga Sida Hanba round di Akogi general awareness round Haribaduni account opening round ni Aduga round 2 dana home round Habidi Koi Manipur the base of question sing Adu round 2 the Hangjagani Aduga third round dana Akogi audio umsung visual round Hariba round Asina Akogi third round on Lajay Aduga fourth round dana buzzer round Aduga Aroiba round. That is current affairs amasung information technology the base of question sing hanga kadaba aroiba round sina 5 round oina thamjai 5 round loirba matungda khoi ngasigi winners episode 9 gi pool I gi winner adu kanano masak punna khangmina bagi tanja do lomina gani adu hojik team singna isa gi screen mamang da yengduna laibiro khoi gi ahan ba round ase honana ba tawrasi round 1 haibadi khoi gi general awareness round khoina account opening round hanasu Mington ba asigi round asida akoi instructions khara leje instructions du yamun tabiro team singna general awareness round asida akoi gi option sing mari thokna legani option mari asi akoi team khudimaki question amamam choose tawagi tanja chance du pigani adu question khudimaki option mari laibadu da student singduna team gi student singduna hanba chance adu da answer ro kai gumba khumba ngamba taragadi akoi team du da 10 points pijagani Aduga account opening round oibana akoi anirak shuna chance pigani karigumba first chance to the lan kiba taragana second chance to the kumbiraga karigumba chumba taragadi akoi 5 points pigani yare ko aduga next team do the akoi pass tawagi system do ahanba round si oina di akoi leijaroi aduna team khudimakna question sing ado ani suba chance to the di chumna khumnana ba hona biu aduna hojik round ase hojaba yaradra Okay, ready lebiro ko, relax to biu pakat kanu, yam pakat na yam cool mind da, ako'y yam wakal tana, tongminasi yam nungay na sa thaba contest ama oihansi ahanba round general awareness round ni. Round asigi ahanbagi chance ase aina team A dagi hojage. Team A hariba option screen da leriba 1 2 3 amasung 4 gi manungda ama khanbi duna isagi option choose to be
2.
Team A na choose to be option 2. When did Alexander the Great visit India? Your option A is 326 BC, option B 350 BC, option C 298 BC, and option D 220 BC. Your option 10 seconds manung da kumbigada bani. A. Okay, ahamba option A hana choose to be the A. Okay, it is right answer yam khangna kumbi the A. Aduna ahamba chance ta akoina answer se kumbi kamena direct point adu team A da koi pizagani. Next team da muklak jage, next team, that is team B. Lem horiba option sing 1 3 and 4. Lem horiba option sing dagi ama kumbi
1.
1 can be. Let us see the question. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? A 1857, B 1774, C 1756, and D 1757. Your countdown starts now.
C.
Okay, team B na C hana kumbira A. Let us check the answer. Okay, the answer is wrong, but do not worry. We still have a second chance. Second chance amusulay ko. The second chance de amun nakalaga haibiu. What is the answer? Your countdown will start now.
A.
Okay, A is also wrong. 1857 nate. The right answer for the year which the Battle of Plassey was fought was 1757. That is option D. Aduna team B na jumna kumbadi nam kidre dubu. We still have more chances. Do not worry. Team C da muglak charge. Team C da option 3 ga 4 gi manung da option number can begin
4.
Option 4 can be. Let us check the question. What is the chemical formula of glucose hariba? Option A C2H5OH, option B C6H12O6, and option C CH3COOH, and option D C2H2O6. What is your answer? Your countdown starts now.
B.
Okay, Team C na option B choose to be the A, C6H12O6, which is exactly the correct answer. So we'll allot the points to Team C. Ahanbagi round general awareness round loy kraba matungda akoi Team A, B, C ahumak na answer kumbiraga try to be kre adu Team B hojipau account open to bugi chance du leitri aduna mathangi round asidadi ayam phajana kumbirakna baning singjari round 2 asigi instructions amuk haijarake muna tabiu. Home round hana ming thonjai khoi home round asidadi khoi Manipur Malaybak asida base toba question sing hangjar kani aduna handaki second round sidadi khoi options mari thokna round 1 da piba dawna sidadi piraroi direct question oigani aduga team sing aduna 10 seconds ki manungda direct answer oina pibirakadabani karigumba question adugi answer chumba taragadi khoi 10 points allot tawjagani aduga karigumba lalamba taragana khoi mathangi team aduda pass tawraga mathangi team duna chumna khumbirak pataragadi khoi 5 points bonus oina pizagani aduga every team will get a chance of direct question choose tawbagi chance amamam pigani yarani ko. Okay, home round second round hariba Manipur khoi Malaybak the base toba round second round ase haujarage. We'll start with Team B. Hariba option 1, 2, 3, and 4 stegi option number can be dona isagi question choose to be. Team B. The Team B degi hojabani Team B choose to
4.
4. Okay. Team B na question number 4 choose to be. In which year was the Kaibul Lamjau declared as a national park? Your countdown will start now.
Pass.
Team B na question asi pass to with A. Team C da. Team C kumbi gani. Your countdown will start now. Which year was the Kaibul Lamjao declared as a national park?
Pass.
Pass. Team C is pass to with A. Now the question has come to Team A. Team A, what is the answer?
1826.
1826 is not the correct answer. The correct answer is 1977. Kaibul Lamjao National Park India gi manungda yam chawpa mingthol ama phangkiba chahi ni 1977. So next team ada muklak chage, next team that is Team C da muklak chage akhoi direct question Team C gi 1 2 amasung 3 gi manungda khanbi gani 1 khanbira A. Let us see what is the question. Name the Manipuri who took part in the Chandrayaan 2 mission. Your countdown starts now. Chandrayaan 2 mission is the Manipuri. Macha amakak na saruk yakiba misak adugi maming tao haibani. Team C gi time up oibana. Mathangi team A da lakchage. Your countdown will start now.
Hidam Rajib.
Amga hanna haibiro.
Hidam Ranjit.
Okay, Hidam Ranjiv Singh. Okay, Team A na haiba answer is it's absolutely correct. Am chumna kumbire A. The person is Hidam Ranjiv Singh. Akogi Chandrayaan 2 gi mission is the part ama oina akogi history da yaukraba adugumba Manipuri macha misak amakhakni. Next question has come to Team A. Team A gi direct question oina lagani hojik Team A na option lairiba 2 amasung 3 da gi amakhanbiyo.
3.
Okay, 3 Khanbira A. Who is the first woman governor of Manipur? Your countdown starts now. The first woman governor of Manipur. Okay. Team A na kumbangam kidabana ko Team B the pass to jage. Team B, your countdown will start now.
Nazma Heptullah.
Okay, Nazma Heptullah is the answer that Team B has given. Chumbam sung lan ba koi screen to check to minasi. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Aduna yam chumna kumbere Nazma Heptullah is the correct answer for the question. Akogi present honorable governor of Manipur is the first woman governor of Manipur. Aduna azik round 2 asi matang asida loi kibaga mari lainana akoi team sing adugi akoi score se kari kari phibam da lai bage have do punna yengminar si team khuding makki score akogi screen da yengminar si team A B amsung C isa isa gi account open tawkhre tawjakhre aduna hojik kanana karamba position da lai bage have do mayam punna yengminar si. So we have the marks on the screen. So from Team A Ramanda High School Angtha gi team asina 15 points score tawduna is leading the group, and Team B with 5 points Princeton International School Infal is asina third position oina 5 points score tawduna hojik position adu da lairi. Aduga the Team C second position the 10 points score tawduna S Chauba Memorial English School Singzamai na hojik 10 points second position gi phibam da lairi. Aduna hojiki mathangi lemhoriba round third fourth amasung fifth point makeup to yaribani. We still do not know who is going to be the winner. Mathangi round muk lakchage mathangi round asi akoigi audio and visual round yamna interesting oiba round amakhakni interesting oiba round asida yam chexina kumbiro mathangi sida akoigi points opazana score to yaribani. Aduna handaki round asida di audio round se hana lokachage audio round asida options lairiba sing asidagi team duna option ama khanbiraga akoigi option do audio oina thadok charakani audio thado iba audio adu yamunna tabiraga audio duga mari leina ba question ama ka khangjarakani audio duga mari leina ba question do team aduna 10 seconds ki manung da kariguma khumbiba taragadi akoi team aduda 10 points pizagani aduga ngam haudragana akoi passed on questions sing dana bonus oina 5 points pizagani. Aduna isa isa gi team ready lai biro audio sing yam munna tabio audio dugi matung ina question hangjarake. Team C dagi haujage. Team C, choose your direct question from the options. 1 can be A. Okay, yam munna tabi si ako gi audio si Okay, hojiki isai adu akoigi isai amakak audio ina thadok chakre adu team C da koina hangjagriba question asina who is the playback singer of that song. So the countdown will start now. Thadok riba audio adugi playback singer kanano sakta o hai.
Susmita.
Okay, Susmita is the answer given by team C. Yam chingnana kumbirei adubu chumbra lanbra habdo okay khangdri. Yes, the answer is Susmita. Yam chumna kumbirei Susmita na sakiba mityeng sina uruba haiba ko gi chanu IPS ki AJMS nam go puna sakmina ba adumba isai amakhagni adugo takriba vocal aduna singer Susmita gini. So team C has answered correctly. Mathangi team da mulak chage team A da mulak chage team A 2 3 and 4 haiba option asidagi ama choose to be
3
choose to be. Okay, let us hear the audio. Akoina thadokriba hojiki audio adu tabirambasu yare mayam adi yamna common oiba tune amakhakni default tone amakhakni karamba company gi default tone no masak tau. Your countdown will start now.
Airtel.
Airtel and kumbirei, but I'm very sorry to tell you Airtel is not the correct answer, so we'll pass on the question to team B.
Nokia.
It is also not correct, team C. Okay, the time is up. Aduna hozik time up oikibina. The right answer is Samsung. Samsung ge ko gi default tone imakon aduni ko hozik takriba do hozik am confusing oiba. Yam toina di tabu oiba do confusing oiba dumba tone amakhakni. Mathangi question asi audio round asi gi aroiba question akoi team B the pizza ge team B ge direct question ni 2 amsung 4 gi manung da ma choose to be 2 choose to be re
ningol chakobana lakpasida Manipur tongan ba Puruk Kayana Kunda Laitana Leminariba Akoi Mayamsi Nuxinaba Porakpa Amaga Nuxi Chana Leminaba Aduma Manipurama Ohenbiba Amati Mopa Singna Machi Singbu
Akoi Timbigi audio da akoi hozik speech amakak tajakre speech adugi speaker kanano who is the voice of that speaker. Your countdown starts now.
Yen Biren.
And Biren, Honorable Chief Minister Duni, but that is not the answer, so we have to pass the question to Team C. Team C da mulak chage, who is the voice of that speaker?
Dr. Danabir Laishram.
Dr. Danabir Laishram is also not the answer, so the last chance goes to Team A. What is the answer? 5
Okram
seconds,
Ibobi.
lady. Okay, Okram Ibobi is also not the answer. Team A, B, C, ahumang na kumba ngam kidabana ko answer si ma'am the reveal tawjagi. The person is Honorable Education Minister of Manipur, Mr. Thoksom Radeshyam. The maki voice man pigi speech amakaki voice ne akona lakutchabdu, but still well tried. Akoi audio round asi matang sida loishinjare mathangi round lady habidi visual round third round gi visual round gi section sida muk lakchage visual round sida su audio ga chap manana koi options mari khak leje option mari sida gi koi team sing dagi team amamam duna masagi direct question choose to biraga visual do koi picture oina ulak payai natragana video oina ulak payai picture amsung video duga mari leina ba question amakhak hangjarakani adugi question adu 10 seconds ki manung da khumbi ba taragadi 10 points, otherwise for pass on questions we have 5 points. Yarni ko. Okay. Yamun yung view. You still have 5 seconds. Okay, the time is up. So, aduna mathangi team. Hai ba team B asida akoy chance to pizage team B. Your countdown will start now. We have a picture. Identify the person. The time is up. Team C. Your countdown starts now. Team C.
Sorry.
Okay. Kumbang amdre haina takpire e aduna. The person is none other than Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of Google. Akoy na si Google siznariba sigi India macha amakak oina Google gi man CEO oina laiba adumba kanna ba misak amakak ni Sundar Pichai. So the next question goes for team B. Team B 2, 3 and 4 gi manungda makan bigani.
3.
3 can be the A. Team B na. So the question is, which famous Android apps icon is this? Your countdown
Instagram.
starts. Instagram. Amtuna kumbire, and it's also the correct answer for team B. The answer is Instagram. So congratulations team B. You have scored a direct point. And also the next question is for team C. Team C the mulak chage. Team C, the options left are 2 and 4.
4.
Can be 4. Okay, 4. Let us see the question. What is the name of this statue and where is it situated? Ani thok na hangi. Your countdown starts now.
Statue of Liberty, Brazil.
Okay. Duga, where is it situated?
Brazil.
Okay. Okay. Statue of Liberty ni haina takpi, but the place is not correct. So we'll just give you half marks and we'll pass on the question to the team A. Team A, where is it situated?
Egypt.
It is wrong. So team B,
New York.
New York is the correct answer. So we'll give team C sida akoina 5 points pizagani aduga team B so 5 points a lot tawjaraga akoigi marks share tawraga New York Statue of Liberty haibase New York tagi one of the 7 wonders of the world oina lairibani aduna congratulations to both the team. So matang sida audio and visual round association jare aduna third round loirbo matungi akoigi team khudima ki score gi phibam mayam punna yengminasi team A B amasung C kari phibam da lairibage habdo mayam punna khangminasi mathangi round habdi yam interesting oiba round buzzer round ase yojingai mangjongna akoi isa isa gi team ase kari kari phibam da karamba position do laige habdo mayam punna khangminasi. So team A Ramananda High School Angtha has scored 15 points and is running on the third position, and team B, that is Princeton International School Imphal East, has come up to second position with 20 points, and team C, S. Chauba Memorial English School Singjamai, is leading with 5 points from team B, that is 25 points. Aduna team A, B amasung C gi phibam yam naksinana 5 points ki difference the chatli akogi fourth amasung fifth round the kari kanana winner ogani haibangam de aduna mayam mijeng ta aduna laibiu. Before we get on to the fourth round, we'll just take a short little break. You're still watching Brainwave Quiz 2019. We'll be right back. Break in matungda amuga hana mayam taram na okchari. You're watching Brainwave Quiz 2019 Season 1 Episode 9. Aroiba pool I gi team members sing A, B amasung C A da Ramananda High School Angtha, B dana Princeton International School Imphal East amasung C da S Chauba Memorial English School Singjamai gi team C sina akogi team A, B amasung C represent tawri lairiba score gi fibam. Team A na third position, that is 15 points pangduna lay. Team B na 20 points pangduna second position da lay. Aduga team C na 25 points pangduna lead tawri. Aduna mathangi round buzzer round asida akoi kanana karamba score gi phibam da laigadabnu mayam punna yengminarasi round 4 da akoi makha chathajarage. Team khudimak alert oina laibiro because this is a very interesting round buzzer round high buzz round asida de koi direct question oina hangaroi akoigi option mari khak laijai. Option mari ado aina pathok charaba matungda pathok hek pathokpa loibaga bazar khwaidagi hana number team duda akoina answer khumbagi chance ado pigani aduga akoina answer khumba yare hairakanda khudakta khumbigadabani matam lauraga leibado khoi disqualify tawgani aduga question pathokpa loidringai da number team do akoina disqualify tawgani yare ko aduga akoigi team aduna chumna khumbiba taragadi 10 points aduga karigumba lalamba taragadi -5 negative points lay aduna sigi round buzzer round asi yam interesting oiba negative points laiba adugumba round amakhakni maram aduna yam checksena isana khumbiu team khudimak ready da laibiro akogi buzzer round asi haunana ba tawjarage aduga all the very best haziki team buzzer round asina winner kana no have do set to ya basu lairibani aduna let us move on to round 4, that is the buzzer round. We have 4 options, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am ready the laibiro aduna ahan question lokachage akogi question number 2 dagi hojage. Let us see what is the question. Who is honored as the father of modern chemistry? Okay, team A.
Antoine Lavoisier.
Antoine Lavoisier, team A na kumbira A. Koigumba question asigi answer asigo chumba taramagadi 10 points pigani aduga koigumba lalamba taragadi -5 points team A dagi kakkadoribani. But team A has answered it correctly, so we're going to give team A the full marks. The answer is Antoine Lavoisier. Congratulations, team A. Questions ahum option lairi mathangi question ahum singje 1, 3 amasung 4 ni alert the laibiro isa gi khut bazar gi mathak ta thamnuna ready the laibiro will pick up with question number 3. Question number 3 dagi lokhachage. Which gas is also known as laughing gas? Which gas is also known as laughing gas? Khangba team duna bazar nambirak pa yare. Koi yam kuina panthagi bataraga di team ahum makna khangdre haina lawjaba yaraba. Okay, team C.
Nitric oxide.
Amta hana.
Nitric oxide.
Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide habiba. Chumi go in haise. Okay. So lairiba answer adubadi yam close ti oiba aduba exactly chemical formula habiba yagada. Chemical formula hariba kogi answer pibiriba segi chemical formula kai gum khambiragadi chemical formula duna chumamba taragadi koi full points allot tawjagadoin. Andre. Okay, so answer piriba team C gi answer yam close pudi oi adubo koi competition si yam tough oi bana koi gi nitric oxide habadi leite ko the right answer is nitrous oxide and the chemical formula is N2O. Laughing gas hana su khangnai ko aduna nitric oxide nitric acid hana delay aduga yamna confusing oi ba do chemical formula do kai gum chumamba taragadi point us adumak pb ramba yabazani adubu akoi hojik lal hana lawjarage whereas but still we are left with 2 more options aduna ka shuninga na belaitana. Let us still keep on trying. 1 amasung 4 lady. Let us start with question number 1. Okay, the movement of pollen from the anther to the stigma of a flower is known as what? Okay, team A.
Pollination.
Pollination. Okay, the answer given by the team A is absolutely right. So the process is called as pollination. Okay, biology da yauba adugumba yam basic oiba question amakhak ni team A ne yam chumna khumbikhre. So we'll move on with the next question. The only question left is question number 4. Aduna alert laibiro. The question number 4 is, who are the founders of the famous social networking app WhatsApp? I am the pioneer of WhatsApp hariba social networking application asigi founder adugi maming tau haibani. Okay, aduna team ahumak na khangdre haina lawjarage. We will reveal the answer. The answer is Brand Acton and John Com. Hasik mayamna sinariba WhatsApp had the social networking application. Mayam loina ngaunariba app as WhatsApp si mo founder duni Brand Acton and John Com. So that was all for the buzzer round. Buzzer round loi khraba matungda akoi gi score gi phibam yam change oina leram gado mali mayam amuka hanna yengminasi mathangi round 5 asi akoi gi aroiba round ni aduna team khudimang na isa gi position kari phibam da lairibage habdo khangbiraga point kaya laukhalaba matungda winner oigani habagi changyeng adu putna yengminasi. We have the total score on the screen. So yam interesting oi habdi hojiki team third position da leramba team A Ramanand High School Angtha asina team animakta ge hengatuna zik 35 points the lead tawduna chatle aduga team B Princeton International School Imphal East aduga S Chawba Memorial English School singjamai C gi team B amasung C sina 20 points lawduna same point the draw chatuna lairi second position du lai aduna anything can happen after the fifth round lairiba score gi phibam team A with 35 points, B and C with 20 points running on the second position aduna mathangi round asida muk lakcharage mathangi round habadi koi current affairs and IT round. Current affairs amse information technology gi round ni akogi modern information technology the base toba question sing su dum hangpa yai ready the laibiro haiba fifth round asida su koi options mari khaido oga laigani options mari asida akoina team aduda direct questions singi chance amam pigani karigumba 10 seconds ki madungda chumna khumbirakpa taragadi 10 points aduga passed on questions singina akoi 5 points allot tawjagani aduna alert laibiro fifth round the final round hoba yare ko okay so we'll start with team B dagi hojage option 1 2 3 and 4 laijare please choose your option
3
choose to be ready. Let us see which country will host the 2020 Summer Olympics. Your countdown will start now. You still have 3 seconds to answer. Okay, the time is up. So the question has passed on to team C. Team C, your countdown will start now. Which country will host the 2020 Summer Olympics? Pass. Team C na pass to be team A. The same question goes to you. Your countdown will start now.
Japan.
Japan gi Japan hanu di haibire edu exact location ma haibi ngamudra. Namde na tapire go team A gi namde na haibi but I think we'll allow the points to team A. Team A haiba location asid di Japan but it is Tokyo go capital oin laiba 2020 ki Summer Olympics asi akoi Tokyo dani Tokyo Japan. So we'll just allow we'll take it as a correct answer. So the next direct question goes to team C. Team C da mulak chage team C gi laihoriba options 1 2 and 4. Second can be right. What is the full form of PDF? Your countdown will start now. PDF file hana mayan hojik nam kanna seasonary. What is the full form of that? Okay, team C kumbangam kidre team A da mulak chage
Pass.
okay, team B da pass over here.
Public. I forgot this one. I just knew yesterday.
Okay. Khangdi khangaga ningsing mathok taba team B gi ko but it is okay. Answer the portable document format haibani adane it is. Next question, the last question of the fifth round goes to team A. Team A da mulak charge lem horiba options 1 and 4. 4 can be right. So the question is, who is the present governor of Reserve Bank of India? Your countdown will start now. Okay, present governor of Reserve Bank of India. Team B. Countdown starts now.
Pass.
Okay, team C. Countdown ho kre aduna try to view ningsing view. The present governor of Reserve Bank of India. Okay, team A, B amasung C. Okay, answer C. Kumbangam kidabana ko the answer is Saktikanta Das. Saktikanta Das hai ba ko 25th governor hai batare ko IAS of Tamil Nadu ni ko gi Tamil Nadu dagi my IAS officer amakana hoji present governor of Reserve Bank of India oiduna laire. Now that was all for the 5th round and also for the 9th episode of Brainwave Quiz 2019 hojik last fibam score gi fibam mayam punna khangmina je episode 9 asi pool I winner kanano oirabano nga ki matung da screen da laglagani team A B amasung C yamna phajana honna biraga isa isa gi score tobinaba honaki adubu surprisingly first team da akoina third position da laikiba team A asina winner oiduna 40 points Ramananda High School Angtha gi asina ngasi gi winner oire aduga team B amasung team C Princeton International School Imphal East aduga S Chauba Memorial English School Singjamai gi team C asina akoi 20 points phangduna second position da lairaga ngasi gi winner oina Ramananda High School Angtha asina pool I gi winner oiduna second round qualified tawre aduna hojiki team A second round semi final dadi hena honna biraga winner oibinaba pausel pizare all the very best aduga khwaitagi yamna khumba maheroi habadi akogi top scorer aduda so akoi exciting prizes mayam ju thamjai aduna keep working hard team B amsung team C akoi ngasigi program asibu saruk yabigani haidana lengbirakpagi damakta thagachari kaisu ninghanaba leitana mathangi season da so adumak kana honna biraga dum saruk yabiu. Thank you so much for coming here and congratulations once again to team A Ramananda High School Angtha. So that was all the final episode of first round Brainwave Quiz 2019 season 1 gi aroiba episode round 1 gi masigi episode no oikre we have got all the 9 winners of first round winner 9 winners sing asi akoigi second round da changduna semi final da amuk pool ahum semduna makoigi winners sing khallaga final round changadoribani semi final round amuk mayam punna thingminasi for today nasigi di matang asida loisinjarage. This is Tenjing Bukhamam and you're watching Brainwave Quiz 2019 season 1 Impact TV.